Hey everyone, Gil Gray Man Prepping. So for today, I got some good information at the end again. Got be having a topic on the your prep for today. We'll cover some of that on the end. Got some upcoming announcements and just some good advice on some gardening stuff because preppers need to be growing a garden. All right, so I'm going to get on this right away. I had another late night again, 4 o'clock in the morning. My body wants to go to graveyard shift. I don't know why. But anyways, I'm going to hop on it here and get at it. Okay, I'm cutting it short. My left knee's really bothering me. So, did 15 minutes, got 113 calories on the gazelle there. I'll probably wind up doing is coming back this afternoon. Instead of just doing one more session this afternoon, I'll probably do 2 or 3 lightweight sessions to get the calorie count up. Yesterday I had a total of 405 calories doing 3 sessions yesterday. Had to remember what it said on there when I reset it when I got on it. Okay, stuff coming up here. All right, your prep for today. Going back to day 4 of your prep for today's is canned meat. There are lots of different types of canned meat out there. Beef, chicken, pork, turkey, canned ground beef cooked already. There are, other little tunas, oysters. There's a lot of canned meats out there. You can find it whatever fits your taste. Canned meats keep generally a long time. Most of them are in some sort of broth, so you can use the broth as well. Some of them you got to watch the amount of sodium in there. All right, so that's your prep for today. All right, tonight on Tactical Tuesday here on Gray Man Prepping, we're going to be talking about communications. The subreddit on it is silent and scrambled, and we're going to talk about ways of sending messages where your message doesn't get out to everybody or anybody that happens to be listening. All right, or anybody bad that happens to be listening. All right, so basically I'm going to talk about ways you can send private messages where nobody realizes you're sending a message. Once again, Saturday we got Doc Bones and Nurse Amy on Survival Saturday. And we've gotten a lot of great ideas from subscribers on both channels for topics. And coming up here at some point, we'll have Bill Nash of Nash Nurseries from back in Minnesota or Michigan. Michigan. And just got it scheduled with Bill to come on here, and we'll be having that set up here probably on a Camp Patton family compound. All right, speaking of nurseries and stuff, gardening, indoor gardening, the easiest plant I've found to grow in the wintertime is lettuce, because you can put the bucket or the tray, whatever you put it in, the wash tub, you can put it near a cold window once it gets up a little bit, because lettuces, they like to grow warm at first, but they'll last longer if it's near a cooler window, so it doesn't bolt, and you can get more lettuce leaves from it. Joe and Corky over on Grow Big TV, they've got their subscriber count up. Had it for a while. They're zeroing in on the 4,000 watch hours. You have a chance. They got some great information over there on gardening. Doing a lot of interviews and stuff. Go check them out. That's Grow Big TV. And yeah, check it out. Whatever you do, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, and really get yourself prepared for the rest of this winter.